Hello everyone, in this video how to do exam registration in SWAYAM NPTEL portal for NPTEL courses. For this exam registration having 4 steps. First one, go to the exam registration page under your login, then fill your details, your photo, sign, ID proof, then enter the exam details, then make the prompt. Now go to the session. Go to Google Chrome, enter SWAYAM NPTEL login, then log in your course page, use username or password. You are using the Google, you can use that username. So under the my user we have the courses, so click on the my courses, then go to the courses which want to do the exam registration. So I am going to do the exam registration for integrated circuit MOSFET op-amp and their application. So here for the beginning page we have the exam registration. Here go the exam, click here to register the exam. So you can click for the corresponding page and go to the personal information. Here automatically the names, date of birth and everything is available from the previous data, and you can enter the your male or female. Then here we can upload your details. So actually if your photo is in the format of JPEG and JPG between the 50 KB to 150 KB, so you have to upload. So after uploading you can click for view your photo. Similarly signature image and ID proof. ID proof is either your Aadhaar card or voter ID or driving license. Then you have to choose based on the category. If you are under the SC/ST, you can select yes, otherwise no. Then disabilities, and here the role of if either student or faculty, employed, etc. So everything is, if once your college is under the NPTEL local chapter, means you can select the NPTEL local chapter, otherwise you have to write others. Then everything you have to answer, then click on that confirm, then put save and click. And this is faculty specific details, that is under the faculty means you can select the corresponding your college city and your college name, department, etc. The student means you can ask the student the college name and everything, department, everything. Okay. So if you can share your scores in your college means you can put yes, otherwise put no. Then again I put I agree and understand, then put save and continue. Then here go to add courses. Here what are the courses are enrolled, that will be displayed here. So if you want to do the payment for the any one courses, you have to select the particular course. Here I am selecting integrator. So here the exam day is viewed here. If you need to add your faculty development program for faculty means you have to click on that one, otherwise no need. I am a faculty, so I am going to click for the FTP. If you are adding FTP, in the 100 rupees extra payment is needed. Select, after that select the exam city. Here first preference, city, that is state and city you have to select. Then enter the PIN code. Second city, second preference. That is, you can select a nearby district. Okay, I put E road. Then third city. If first two is not available, then will be allotted for the third one. E road. So I click Fullachi. Okay. Next one is again I can get third one. Okay. So after selecting all the city, you can put the confirm and save. Okay. Here the price amount will be added. After that, you can go for the payment. So here you can verify your details is correct or not. Okay. So here, and also you can able to view the ID proof, profile photo, image, etc. Everything you can go through. Then make the payment. After once confirmed, you can agree the above. Then pay through the Razor Pay. So continue the payment. Here pay now. After that, you have to select any mode like UPI, cards, net banking, wallet. You can pay your amount. Okay. So that's all the procedure for doing the exam registration in the NPTEL courses. Thank you.